Appreciate you clicking on this video. Like, subscribe. We're going to be comparing a couple awesome sites today. You'll probably want to stick around. There's going to be other cool archery stuff to follow. Appreciate you. So we're comparing a couple different sites today. The Dialed Proof, which is the newest dialed sight. It's been out for, I guess, a year. The UltraView Slider 2, which has been out 6 months, maybe 4 months, something like that. Both great sites, both super expensive and overpriced, and probably not worth the price that you're paying. But we keep buying them, so they keep raising the price. All right, so pros and cons of these, and my table's a little dirty here. The UV Slider 2 comes in a little smaller, comes in a little closer to the bow, closer to the riser of the bow. You can see the Dialed Proof sticks out a little bit further. The UV is a little bit lighter. I don't know the exact numbers on this. I've seen it from other places too, but a little bit lighter. The ergonomics probably go to the UV Slider because you don't have anything sticking out here. Like just, if you got a glove on, grabbing this and turning this, you've got a little bit more clearance with the UV Slider 2. Whereas the Dialed, because you've got this bar here that sticks out in the front, if you're in hunting and you go to crank this down, there's a kind of an area here towards the bottom where your finger kind of gets pinched between the dial and this front bar. Not a huge deal, and realistically, when you have it on a sight, you might have it bumped over so much that it doesn't catch, but in the current setup it's in, you're probably going to have a little pinch area when you get down here. So you just got to kind of make sure you're holding it like this. Not a huge deal, but it is an issue nonetheless. Both of them, I think, pins are plenty bright. These are both 10,000th pins. I've never had an issue with either one of these where I thought these pins are not bright and I need to get a light kit or anything. I don't have a light kit for either one of them. I just don't think it's necessary. So I don't see a problem with that at all. Both have toolless adjustments, the click, in other words, when you're moving these things back and forth, both of them are going to have the clicks, and they're nice and smooth and do a great job at that. So for what you pay, you shouldn't have to get a wrench out to do this. So should be good on that. Both of them use dual sight tapes, so you can run multiple sight tapes or leave a test tape on. I do think that this one is going to be a little easier to get confused on which is which. When you're looking down this and you see, your sight tape here, kind of which one was I using, which one's my hunting setup, which one's a tack setup. I think this one where they're side by side might be a little harder to remember versus the UV2 where you've got one on the inside, one on the outside. Now, from a hunting standpoint though, I think this is a better setup. When you're looking at your bow and you're looking down your bow, you can see the sight tape. You can see where it's at. You can see what your pins are because you've got the indicators here. So if you've got it on your bow and you're just looking down there, you can go, okay, I'm at 20, pull up and shoot. Whereas the UV Slider, it's slightly turned in, but it's not super great visually and easily turned in. So you got to kind of look at it, and especially the outside one, like there's just no way to really look at it without turning your bow to the side, which just requires more movement. So just some things to think about. This one's got a slight turn to it. It's not like it's on the side like the outside one, but it does have a little angle, so it's a little harder to see than just looking down at your dialed sight and seeing what the dial itself says. Quick, I'm gonna pause for a second. I appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, it helps a ton. It means a ton to me, helps the algorithm. Leave a comment, means the world to me. If you're looking at an e-bike, check out RamboBikes.com. Put R Woods in at the discount code at checkout. It'll save you 20%. It helps the channel. It's the best e-bikes you can buy. They're more affordable than you think. Check them out. Turkey season will be here before you know it. You can get some discounts right now. You probably ought to go check it out. Appreciate you watching. Customization obviously goes to the Dialed. It's, the ability to customize these is incredible. The ability to slap a different mount on. If you need to go to a Matthews and you've got a pick mount, you can take this off and put the Matthews mount on, bridge lock mount on. I don't know that you can do that with the UV. I think you've got to order a whole new sight, or at least this part here, a little more stuff. So don't hold me to that. Both great sights, both are stupid expensive. Both are gonna be great for shot 3D, tack, all that stuff. So check them out if you hadn't already. I think you'll like them. They're both great. Which one ever suits you, let me know. Leave a comment down below.